Acer Aspire Vero 16 results. 4 terabytes plus Thunderbolt 4 in real life. Do you ever open your laptop and instantly feel behind because there's never enough storage or screen space? I stared at my old machine yesterday with 47 gigabytes left, praying nothing important would download. Heart rate actually went up. Does this sound like your Tuesday too? Drop your current storage horror story in the comments. I need to know I'm not alone. That low-grade panic when you're drowning in files, cloud sync is choking, and external drives are just another thing to lose. I tried everything, deleting photos from 2018, paying for more Google Drive, carrying a fragile HDD in my bag like a bomb. Nothing fixed the chaos. I knew there had to be a laptop that just ends the storage anxiety without forcing me to become a minimalist. Then the Acer Aspire Vero 16 showed up with a ridiculous 4 terabytes SSD. 4 terabytes. Out of the box. The first time I copied my entire 1.8 terabytes photo archive over, it finished before my coffee got cold, 37 minutes. No throttling, no noise, just done. The 16-inch 16:10 screen means I can actually see full spreadsheets and PDFs without zooming. Thunderbolt 4 ports let me plug into my dock with one cable and drive 2 4K monitors like it's nothing. The Intel Core Ultra 5 with its little NPU makes background blur and noise cancellation on Teams feel instant, not laggy. And yes, it's made from 60% recycled plastic with ocean-bound plastic touchpad, but honestly, I bought it for the storage, and everything else just feels like a bonus. It's the first laptop that removed friction instead of adding it. It's not just me being dramatic. Green tech reviewers say the build feels more solid than most metal laptops and actually resists fingerprints. Students are obsessed with the 16:10 screen for research. One data analyst told me the 4 terabytes SSD alone saved him from buying a $600 external RAID. Even corporate IT guys are picking it for company fleets because it hits sustainability checkboxes while still having Windows 11 Pro, Thunderbolt 4, and Wi-Fi 6E. Biggest objection I see. Only 8 gigabytes RAM though. Real talk. If you're doing video editing or running 80 Chrome tabs with Spotify and Photoshop, yeah, you'll feel it. But for 90% of professionals, Office, browser apps, Zoom, massive local files, it's perfectly snappy. The chip is so efficient I'm getting 8+ hours unplugged doing actual work. The feature that shocked me most? The QHD webcam. I look like a human on calls now, not a potato. Thousands of people in the reviews are saying the same thing. They bought it for the eco story or the storage and ended up loving the whole package. Imagine never seeing storage full again, never juggling cloud subscriptions or fragile external drives. Just open the lid and everything you need is right there, fast and local. Join the researchers, small business owners, and regular people who are quietly living this reality right now. If you're tired of babysitting your current laptop storage, I left the link to this exact Acer Aspire Vero 16 config in the description and pinned comment. Go check it out. Your future self who isn't deleting family photos to install Windows updates will thank you.